Hey YouTube, welcome back and happy Friday, guys. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the 20 pack of the glass screen protector for your Apple iPhone, either 6, 6S, 7, or 8. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Fourth generation, Apple did not change much, so this screen protector will fit all the model I just mentioned. So the reason I got the 20 pack is because you save more money that way. Imagine you go to Apple store, they probably charge you like $20 just to put one screen protector. I got a 20 pack of this. For like 13 something, so actually 12 something plus tax. And I have eBay bucks, so whatever I purchase on eBay, I get the eBay bucks. So yeah, I end up paying for, I think it's only about $2 and something because the seller was in California, so it has to add the tax on top of that. But anyway, I only paid like $2 and something for this 20 packs. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oops. So hopefully none of this crack because the seller did not put any bubble wrap or anything. So you want to go ahead and then inspect all of them. Make sure nothing cracks. If there's a crack, you want to go ahead and then notify the seller right away, because you have the eBay buyer's protections. eBay buyer protections only protect you up to 30 days. And then after 30 days, if you have any problem with the seller, then you're on your own, okay? But unfortunately, you're buying cheap because this is in a bulk pack. So it does not come with any of the alcohol wipes or pads or cleaning cloth. But anyway, I have so many of the one that I got from previously, so it doesn't matter. I do this for the customer, so and then my wife is my favorite customer. She keep cracking, and I don't know how many times I need to tell her. She kept on putting her phone inside with the keys, knocking back and forth. And all she does just give me an excuse saying that, oh, it just break automatically by itself. So how could that be? Cannot be. Unless you bump into something, and I know she just doesn't listen. So maybe I should start charging her so she will learn her lesson. So anyway, all this looks pretty good so far. Not gonna jinx it. Well, hopefully you guys like the video and then give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and be sure to hit that notification buttons or the bell. Please share this with your friend, family on social media, and drop any other comments on below. All right. And this is the 20 packs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace out, guys.